So that is how you can win in this market. Hello, welcome to this video. So in this video, I need your thoughts about something that I have just discovered in this market. So these are step index markets. So you just scroll down and you'll see all of them here. You can select them. Now, the thing is, when you select two ticks, you'll be getting a profit of 282. And there's something that I was trying to see how it works. So let's say that I press these two buttons at the same time. I still can lose and I still can win, and I will have a profit of 182. That means when I use $100, I'll have a profit of $181, and then I will be only on a loss of 100, which will be covered by this profit. Now, when you are doing it manually, I have just found out that let's say that you are using two computers. You press, and on the other side you press. You will find out that one side will enter a bit faster, the other one will enter a bit slow. What if someone tries to use two phones and then you use automated software? So let's say that you set it to tap exactly when it is 0240, somewhere there, and then one phone will tap on rise, another one will tap on fall. For that, for instance, we have autoclickers apps for Android. So we have autoclicker apps for Android. So you can just download them and then you install. And then after doing that, one will click rise, another one fall. So you'll have a profit of, let's say, $181. So if you try that one, I see that you can get some profit. The only thing is that when you are setting two ticks, I found out that we have these stagnant points. Let's say that you said it will rise and then you entered at this point. So the first tick will be here. So 1, 2. So here your contract will be stopped on a loss. So let's say you entered here, here 1, 2. Oh, here you entered here, the first tick, the second. So you see that is a stagnant market. So it has not risen or fallen. So there you can lose money. But when you see, most of the time it is moving. What you can also do is look at this market and then see where the market is stagnant. When it moves this way, you avoid it, but still you enter. You will still be on a profit, but this is something you can try it out and then comment below what you find out, because I have just tried it out. I did not lose a lot of money there, but I made something. But I also need to hear what you find out or what you think about it, or what softwares you can use to do this, because I also need to do. I see it can get some money for someone here. So that is it for this video. If you have a question or a suggestion, just leave it in the comment section. If you are new in Deriv or you do not have an account, create using the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more